and welcome back to WP Event Manager. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to cancel your subscription to our plugin and how Refund works with our plugin. So if you are interested, let's get started. So for that, first you need to go to your WP Event Manager website and log in. As you can see, I'm already in there. And on the right side, as you can see, we have My Account button. We need to click on that. And it will take us to this page. Here under the My Account option, we have subscriptions. We need to choose this and it will take us to our Manage Subscriptions. So here we need to click on Manage. And here, with the help of this cancel button, we can cancel our subscription to the plugin. Also, WP Event Manager offers 1 year subscription plan based on the number of sites you have and scope of your event aggregation. The plan offers you plugin installation, feature upgrades, security upgrades, and etc. Here also we have auto renew button. So in case if you choose not to auto renew the subscription, you still will be able to access the existing version of the plugin, but access to feature upgrades and bug fixes are denied. So here you need to choose to check or uncheck the option of auto renew. So I want to a little bit talk about the refund policy. WP Event Manager products are not tangible and irrecoverable. We not provide any compensation for the plugins that are already downloaded. So you need to read carefully about the terms, the conditions, and about the plugin, what it will provide you before making a purchase. And if you're experiencing any problem, you need to acknowledge us so that we will be able to fix it right away. Or if you're experiencing any problem while downloading the plugin, you need to acknowledge us as soon as possible. Also, we will not provide any refund after you purchase our add-ons. So in order to prevent any inconvenience, you need to read carefully about our refund policy. So this was it. I hope you liked the video. If you will have any questions concerning to our video, you are free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you soon.